Hello.
ผิดด้านนะลูก
Hello.
Welcome to 5-1 Talk.
Okay, hello. Welcome to 5-1 Talk, and I am teacher Bella Mandy. And how about you? What is your name?
จะได้ตรง
What is your name?
ๆก็ตั้งตรงนี้มันจะได้ตรง
Your name is Nita, right?
ๆเห็นตรงนี้
Okay, so hi Nita. Nice to meet you. And how are you today?
I'm happy.
Happy. Wow, that's nice. Okay, so now Nita, are you ready for our lesson?
เห็นไหมเอาน้ำให้ก่อน
Ready?
Love you.
Yay, very good. Okay, so now if you are ready, listen to teacher and look at me, okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's go. Very good. Okay, so now let's go and let's have our lesson for today. Okay, so now Nita, this is a review and we have here a review, okay? So all you have to do is you have to listen, shrug, and say, okay? So we have the letter H basket and the letter E basket, okay? So now you have to drag, okay? Drag now. Okay, say ham, pen, what else?
Lemon hat.
Okay, very good. Okay, now let's have the letter H. Say hot.
Hat.
Ham.
Ham.
Very good. One more time. Hat. Ham.
Ham.
Okay, very good. Lemon. Pen.
Lemon ham.
Very good. Okay, say it again. Hot. Lemon.
อะไรหยิบอะไรมาเล่น
Pen.
ค่อยๆเล่น
Pen.
Fan.
Ham.
Ham.
Very good. Good job. And you are very good. Okay, amazing. Now let's go. Okay, so now our lesson for today is all about let's have a pillow fight. Okay, can you say it?
A pillow fight.
Okay, one more time.
Let's have a pillow fight.
Very good. And look at the picture. What is Cindy and Anna doing?
Pillow fight.
Yes, they have a pillow.
Fight.
Right. Okay, so now look at the picture. Are they happy? Are they
Yeah.
happy? Yes, they are happy. They are happy because they are playing a fellow fight. Yes, fellow fight. Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, very good. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so now we have here a song, Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay, now let's have the song and let's sing together. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down, Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay, one more time, let's sing together.
Okay.
Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down, Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay, now let's sing together. Hickory Dickory Dock, the mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran, Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay. Okay, can you sing, Nita?
No.
Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. A mouse ran up the clock struck one, the mouse ran down, hickory dickory dock. Okay, very good. Now let's go. Okay, so now let's have our word fun. And now, are you ready?
No.
Ready?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Okay, say, I am ready.
I am ready.
Yes, very good that you are ready. So now let's go. Okay, let's go. Okay, so now let's have our word one. Okay, this one. Okay, now we have here the word. Okay, what is
Pajamas.
the word?
Pajamas.
Okay, say it again. Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Very good. One more time. Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Very good. Okay, now let's read together. I am wearing my monkey pajamas.
I am wearing my monkey pajamas.
Okay, one more time. I am wearing my monkey pajamas.
I am wearing my monkey pajamas.
Okay, now, very good. Now look at Cindy. What is Cindy wearing?
Cindy is wearing a monkey pajamas.
Wow, very good. What is the color of the pajamas?
Pinky pie.
Okay, color pink pajamas. Very good. Okay, now say the word pajamas.
Pajamas.
Very good. Good job. And you are very good. Okay, amazing. Now let's go. Okay, now let's have. Okay, now say pillow. Pillow.
Pillow.
Very good. Okay, now let's read. I have a white pillow.
I have a one pillow.
Okay, one more time.
Pillow.
I have a white pillow.
I have a white pillow.
Very good. Now, can you circle the white pillow? Can you circle? Can you
Yeah.
circle? Okay, circle the white pillow. Okay, can you circle the white pillow? Can you circle? Yes, very good. That is a white pillow. Okay, what is the color of Cindy's pillow?
White.
White. Very good. Good job. Okay, amazing. Now let's go. Okay, so now let's have the word. Okay, what is the word?
Sleep.
Sleep. Yes, very good. One more time. Sleep.
Sleep.
Very good.
Kalimonta.
Okay, say Cindy is sleeping.
Cindy is sleeping.
Okay,
Sleeping.
yes, one more time. Say it. Cindy is sleeping.
Cindy is sleeping.
Very good. One more. Say it again. Cindy is sleeping.
Cindy is sleeping.
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 Yes, very good. Good job. Cindy is sleeping. Yes, very good. Okay, now say the word sleeping.
Sleeping.
Very good. Now, what is Cindy doing? What is Cindy doing? Cindy is?
Sleeping.
Well, Cindy is sleeping. Okay, very good. And it's fantastic.
What it is?
Very good. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so now it's game time. Yay! Game time. It's game time. Let's go. Okay, are you ready?
Nope.
Are
Yeah.
you ready? Now say, yes, I am.
Yeah. I know.
Oh no. Okay,
I
say.
am.
Okay. Okay, say, yes, I am.
Yes, I am.
Very good. Now it's game
No.
time. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so now you have to listen, repeat, and guess. Okay? Okay, so now all you have to do is to remember the three cards, okay? Because after this, you are going to get.
Okay.
Okay, so now, okay, look at the
Pajamas,
picture. We have pajamas,
pajamas,
pillow.
pillow, sleep.
Yes, very good. Okay, now, are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Okay, now, what is on the card? Click and say.
Pillow,
Yay, pillow.
pajamas,
Yes, very good. Okay, one more time. Okay, say the word. What?
sleep, pajamas,
Yes. Okay, say sleep.
sleep, pajamas,
Pajamas.
pajamas,
And
bed,
pillow.
pillow.
Yes, very good. Okay, now you are a very good. Good job.
Na 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 na.
Okay, now let's go. Okay, so now, okay, all you have to do is look and say, okay, you have to use this lens to see what is on the picture. And you have to say, what can you see on the picture, okay? Okay, go now.
I see a pillow.
Very good. What
I see
else?
sleep, dog
Very,
sleep, and cat sleep. And and pajamas,
pajamas. Very good. What else?
bed,
Bed. Very good. What else?
sleep,
Sleep.
sleep, on, sleep, sleep.
Whoa, Fuzzy is sleeping, right? Okay, now what is this?
She sleep.
What is this?
Pillow, pillow fight,
This is pajamas.
pajamas.
How about this one?
No.
Pillow,
Pillow, no.
sleep,
Sleep,
pillow,
pillow,
and what is the last one?
sleep.
Sleep. Yes, very good. Okay, so now,
Both.
well done. Very good.
No, 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 no,
Okay, now let's go. Okay, so now let's talk. Are you ready? Yay!
no.
Let's go, let's go.
No.
Okay. Okay, so now let's have a conversation between Cindy and Anna. Okay, so now let's listen.
Oh, I
Okay, so now who do you like to be?
like to be Anna.
Okay, Anna. Okay, now let's go. I really like your pajamas.
Yeah. And pajama, I really like
Okay,
my
say
tiger
they are my favorite.
They are my favorite tiger pajamas.
Very good. Now let's switch roles. You will be Cindy now and teacher will be Anna, okay?
Oh,
Okay, let's go. I
oh, I really like your pajamas.
Very good. They are my favorite tiger pajamas. Okay, now what is the color of Anna's pajamas?
Green.
Green. Well, very good. Okay, now say the word pajamas.
Pajamas.
Yes, very good. Good job. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so now another conversation between Cindy and Anna.
Well, I will Aquaman.
Okay, say I will put on.
I will put on my monkey pajama. Aquaman.
I will put on.
My monkey pajama. Aquaman.
Okay, say I will put on.
I'll put on my monkey pajama.
Okay, say
Aquaman.
cool.
Aquaman.
Okay, excuse me. Okay, teacher have a runny nose. Okay, sorry. Excuse me. Okay. Okay, I'm so sorry, teacher have a runny nose right now. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, say cool.
Aquaman.
Wow. Okay, say it again. Cool.
Aquaman.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, now let's go. Okay, so now another conversation between Cindy and Anna. Okay, now who do you like to be, Cindy or Anna?
On the bed.
Okay,
I
say,
will Anna.
okay, let's have a pillow fight.
Yeah, let's jump on the bed.
Okay, say, let's jump on the bed.
Let's jump on the bed.
Very good. Okay, now say, let's have.
Let's have a pillow fight. Yeah,
Let's jump.
let's jump on the bed.
Okay, say, let's jump on the bed.
Let's jump on the pool.
On the bed.
Let's jump on the putty.
On the bed. Okay, say, let's jump on the bed.
Let's jump on the litter.
Okay, can you say bed? Bed.
Jump on the bed.
Very good. Now say the word pillow.
Pillow.
Very good. Okay, next one. Okay, now, are you tired?
Are you tired? Let's go to sleep.
Okay, very good. Okay, say it again. Yes.
Bye, 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 bye,
Okay,
bye.
Nita. Okay, listen first. Okay, say yes. It's time to go to sleep.
Yeah, it's time to go to sleep.
Very good. Okay, now say the word sleep.
Sleeping.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Very good. And we can see here in the picture that Cindy and Anna are very tired playing the pillow case. Very good. Let's go. Okay, so now it's game time. Game time, game time. It's a game time. Now, are you ready for the game time? Ready? Okay, let's go. Game time, it's game time. Let's go. Okay. So now you have to do and say, okay? Do and say. Now I will follow teacher. I will
I will.
put on
I will put on my monkey
my
pajamas.
monkey pajamas. It's time
It's time to bed.
to go to sleep.
It's time to go to sleep.
Very good. One more time. I will
I will
put
my monkey.
on
I will put on my monkey pajamas.
it's time.
It's time to go to sleep.
Very good. It's time to go to sleep. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, now let's have a look, do, and say. Okay, it's time to. Now let's spin and say. Okay, now let's start. Okay, now say it's time to.
It's time to wash your face.
Okay, say it's time to wash my face.
It's time to wash my Please.
Very good. Next. Okay, spin again and stop. It's time to
Go to sleep.
get up.
Get up.
Okay, say it's time to get up.
It's time to get up.
Very good. Okay, next one. Let's spin again.
Stop, 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 and stop.
Okay, now it's time to.
Breakfast.
Okay, say it's time to have lunch.
It's time to have lunch.
Okay, one more time. It's
And
time to have lunch.
it's time to have lunch.
Very good. Okay, now let's start again. And stop. Now it's time to.
Go to sleep.
Yes, it's time to. It's time to sleep. Yes, very good. Okay, good job. Very good. Okay, now let's go. Okay, now let's have a role play. Let's talk about what Cindy does at bedtime. So we have here 10 seconds, okay? So your 10 seconds starts now. It's time. It's 9 o'clock.
It's 9 o'clock. Time to bed. Before I've been sleeping. It's time to put on my pajama. Bye bye everyone.
Okay, say good night.
Good night.
Okay, very good. Good job. Okay, very good.
Good night, Dada.
Okay, so now say I can do it.
I don't can do it.
Okay, say I can do it.
I don't can do it.
Okay, say now, Nita. I can do it.
I can put on my monkey pajamas.
Okay, say we have here our keywords. So we have, what is this? Pajamas.
Pajamas. Pajamas. Pillow sleep.
Yes, very good. Now, what is this?
I say pajamas.
Yes, this is a monkey pajamas. How about this one? This is color white pillow.
My pillow.
And this one is, what is Cindy doing?
Sleep.
Yes, Cindy is sleeping. Very good. Okay, good job. Okay, so now let's go. Okay, how about our key sentences? Okay, Nita, please read. I will.
I put on my monkey pajamas.
It's time.
Time to go to bed.
It's time to go to sleep.
It's time to go to sleep.
Very good. Good job.
Hello.
Okay, so now we are done with our lesson for today. Thank you so much, Nita, for your active participation in our class. And you did well, okay? You listen attentively to teacher and you participate well and study well, okay? Read more English words, English sentences, and English vocabulary words. Overall, you did an amazing job. And now let's have our goodbye song. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Goodbye, bye bye, Nita, and have a great day. Study well. Bye bye. Goodbye, thank you. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Study well and have a great day. Bye-bye.